Hello, welcome to my neighborhood tour. I want to show you my top 3 favorite places in my neighborhood. First, there is beautiful park near my house. There are so tall trees and I love green space. There is a small playground for children and there are some beaches where people can sit and relax. There is no lot of traffic, so it's best place to walk. Second, there is coffee shop in the corner. There are some delicious parties and a lot of good coffee going on. There are food tables inside and so outside. There is no noise, just soft music, which makes it a perfect place to study. Finally, there is big supermarket 2 blocks away. There are a lot of products like fruits, vegetables, and bread. So those are my 3 favorite places in my neighborhood. There is a lot to enjoy here, and I really do like living in this area. Thanks for watching my tours.